Okay, here's my setup. The lab volt equipment. Here's my water column. You can see the water's at about 50%. Okay, just a little flow indicator there. Here's my pressure transmitter. Got a tap right here in the bottom of the water column. Down here is my reservoir. You can see the water flowing back into it. Okay, and then connected to that, my process variable comes back from here over to my Arduino. Here's my Arduino, which has the process variable input and the set point input, and it outputs to the pump on this wire here. Okay, now here's my user interface. See if you can see that. I've got my set point, process, and output. So I'll make a step change in my set point, say up to 60. Well, there's up to 70%. You can see my output goes up, and as my process approaches my set point, my output comes down, over swings a little bit. Oh, it's actually at about 75 there, which is a little higher than my set point. It's coming down. Okay, and it settles out. So I'm going to bring my set point down significantly here, and you'll see the output shuts down, and the process comes down. Let's watch the water column. You can see the water column as it sinks. It's going down below 10, 9 inches, 8, 7. Shortly the pump will start up again, and it undershot slightly, and it brings it back up to where we want it to be. So it looks like it's just a little between 7 and 8 there is where it's shooting for. Yeah, and I can hear the pump slowing down. Now, if I change the rate of outflow, I can restrict the rate of outflow and slow it down so that the level will go up at that rate, and the pump will have to slow down to maintain the desired level. So that's a bit of a disturbance. You can see it bringing it back down again. Let's go watch the screen. So the set point is 34, and the process is at 34 with the new outflow. I set the outflow back to normal, fully open, and you'll see the process dropped, so it has to bring the output up so the process matches the set point. Make one more step change, and you can see the output change so that the process matches the set point. And it's got to bring it down. Process is at 60, set point's at 57, so it'll bring it down a little more. 58, and a little more. Down to 57. There we go.